Today, it's so hot. We're in the fuel island. Just came from the shower and my face is so sweating, very sweating. Because, you know, after shower and then hot outside. So, this is it. This is my face. It's like red, rosy cheek, like Americana. Joke. Ay, oh my God.
Take pride in the fact you're Filipino and stop trying to be American.
No, I'm not American.
Besides that, Americans come in all different colors and shapes and sizes. So you wouldn't be American, you'd be a white person.
So, good evening again, guys. We are here now in Welcome Center, Louisiana, state of Louisiana. This is it's a rest area, Welcome Center. It's a nice welcome center. Rest area again. Next to Texas is Louisiana, I-20. So, gusto ko magpa-picture sa Welcome Center of Louisiana. Let's go, guys. So, I'm walk again, relaxing for the whole day of sitting down and truck. So, now, this is it. I'm doing my vlog, yes. So, that's the Welcome Center of Louisiana. Here, maybe it's not clear because it's nighttime. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm gonna come back here to take pictures. But this is the Louisiana, the map of Louisiana, and this is the name of Louisiana. Welcome Center. So, good morning. This is the Welcome Center of State of Louisiana. See, there's a vending machine. So, as I said last night, I will go to the welcome sign of Louisiana because last night it's dark, so I need clear picture. I've been Louisiana many times, but we're not stopping by the Welcome Center always. So now that we're here, I get a chance to take a picture myself. Like me. So hi. So bringing my morning stuff every morning before we hit the road. If we're not shower, because yesterday we shower yesterday afternoon before we stop. we shower. So every morning I use restroom and wash my face. That's it. And also in before bedtime, the same, wash my face. Last night it's full pack truck parking, but right now driver early wake up and then hit the road. So nice here. So I just hung out for a while after, just walk. Stretching my body and then walk.